This is 988Z LCD turntable separator. The power outlet and switch are in the back. Turn on the power switch when the power is on. The front side is the temperature setting panel. You can set the temperature that needed when separating the front glass. The temperature is set at 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. When the temperature reaches the set temperature, the temperature is automatically set. This is the vacuum button. When you press it, the assembly is adsorbed by the separator. When the separation temperature reaches constant temperature, you can use gold wire to separate the front glass.